Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the AI copywriting world with a showdown between two popular tools, Jasper AI versus Writesonic. If you're looking to boost your writing game with AI, this comparison will help you figure out which tool is best for creating compelling and engaging content. Let's start with Jasper AI. Known as one of the top players in the AI writing space, Jasper excels at producing high-quality, human-like copy for a variety of content needs. Whether you're writing blog posts, social media updates, or email campaigns, Jasper has you covered. One of the standout features of Jasper is its templates, which make it easy to get started with different types of content, such as product descriptions or long-form articles. Jasper also integrates seamlessly with Surfer SEO, making it an excellent choice for anyone focusing on SEO-optimized content. Plus, Jasper is capable of generating creative, conversational copy, making it a go-to for marketers and content creators. Now let's talk about Writesonic. Writesonic has earned its reputation as an affordable yet highly effective AI writing assistant. It offers a broad range of templates similar to Jasper, but focuses heavily on creating content for digital marketing. Writesonic's strength lies in its simplicity. It's easy to use and delivers great results quickly. It also features advanced AI-powered tools like the AI article writer, which helps you generate long-form content in just a few minutes. The platform supports multilingual content creation, which is a huge plus for businesses targeting a global audience. Writesonic also includes features for generating ad copy, landing pages, and even e-commerce descriptions. So, how do they stack up? Jasper AI is ideal for those who need high-quality, long-form content and SEO-optimized writing, especially for blogs, articles, and copywriting tasks. Writesonic, on the other hand, shines in quick content generation, particularly for marketing copy, ads, and shorter-form content. It's also a great option for those looking for an affordable and user-friendly tool. That's it for today's AI copywriting showdown. Which one do you think wins the battle? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.